All was our very own Ritu Singh. So let's bring her in. Ritu, you had a busy day yesterday, budget plus Paytm. But tell us, what's the sense now after that call? Clearly, when you go by the price action on the screen, nothing has changed and the street is just not convinced.
Well, that's right, Subhi, and that's also partly because there's no visibility in sight as to when, Paytm Payment Bank would be able to restart operations, when it will be allowed to onboard customers, how soon this embargo, if at all, is going to be lifted. I think that's one of the biggest concerns, that for all practical purposes, the Paytm Payment Bank business is shut as of now. So, in the con call, we just heard Vijay Shekhar Sharma calling it a big speed bump, but he said it is one that they will be able to sail through in the next few days or next few quarters. But really through entire that period of the con call of about an hour or so, there was no specific reason as to why RBI took this action that he could elaborate on, or what steps they'd be taking to get out of it, other than partnering with other banks. And that's what he said. We're overwhelmed with the support that we've received from other banks in the last day or so since the ban was imposed on Paytm Payment Bank. He said since March of 2022, when RBI had first stopped them from onboarding new customers, they had started to partner with other banks, and now they will completely disassociate with Paytm Payment Bank and build other partnerships. He said that Paytm is taking immediate steps to comply. I suppose there's no other option here for Paytm to really do, and they're going to continue to decrease their dependency. What is important is they said that there will be a temporary impact on the lending business. Now keep in mind, Paytm Payment Bank doesn't do any lending business. The Paytm entity does, in partnership with other NBFCs through its tie-ups. But because of this regulatory overhang, so to speak, and as they balance things out, in the next few weeks or so, they said they will not be originating any new loans. The Bhavish Agarwal, who is the CEO of Paytm, also added that equity, insurance, these businesses are not really housed in Paytm Payment Bank. They will not be affected. Paytm, the app that you and I use for UPI transactions, that is not affected. It is primarily the wallet and the payment bank business, and the pure play impact on the GMV from the wallet is very small, because remember, Paytm payments alone accounts for almost 70% of the GMV. So yes, that is, that impact is small, but the margin hit will be larger because, this wallet and this FASTag, these are higher margin businesses for Paytm.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's move on.